Good morning, honey. Good morning, babe. I'm gonna turn the alarm off. It's really annoying. Oh, that's better. I'm gonna go get the kids up for school, okay? Okay. Come on. Melony. Melony. Yeah, Mom. Okay, it's time to get up, sweetheart. You got school today. Oh, can I stay home? No. Krissy. What? It's time to get up, okay? Okay, Mommy. Alright. Be out in 20 minutes, okay? Okay, Mommy. Breakfast will be on the table. Ugh, I don't want to get up, do you, Krissy? Ugh, no. But we have to, Mommy said so. I'm just gonna lay back down for a while. All done. Melony, get up. You're not the boss of me, Krissy. Well, Mom's gonna get... Girls, come on! See, told you. There. That should do it. Well, it's about time, Melony. Sorry, Dad. Oh, I'm tired. And that's how you do it Krystal style. Isn't that how you jacked it from Tony? Yep. That guy was so mean, he didn't let anybody have his biscuits unless they paid $5 for it. That's like a lot for a little biscuit. I totally agree. I mean, 5? I would do it around like 1:30. Alright, honey, I'm gonna take the kids out to the bus, okay? Okay, bye. Come on, guys. Bye, Mommy. Bye, Krissy. Oh, bye, Mommy. Bye, Melony. Have fun at school. Daddy, can we please stay home? No, you're going to school, Melony. Bye, Daddy. Good morning. Morning. Bye, Daddy. Bye. Bye, honey. Have fun at school. Kids are off to school. Okay. I'm gonna go off to work, okay? So, how do you like being a policeman? It's kind of boring. We haven't had any bad guys escape or anything. See you later. I'll check up on Tony for you. Okay, bye. What a joke. Hey, Boot. Hey. So, I want a word with Tony. Okay. Right over there. Okay. Hey, Tony. How you doing in jail? I would shut up if I were you, Cat, because I'm not going to be here much longer. Huh, you're never getting out of here, Tony. There's nothing you can do about it. You're a helpless little puppy. Oh, I wouldn't say helpless little puppy. I would say rabid dog. And you know what, Greg? I have ways of getting out of jail. I've gotten out before, and I'm gonna get out again. And this time, your family is dead. Oh, I would be so scared, but I know you're not getting out. I helped design these walls, and they're even bulletproof. I have ways, Greg Calloway. I have ways. Hey, Tony. Trenton, just in time. Yep, and I got the keys. Look out, little kitten. Tony's back.